Why some couples are more likely to experience infidelity. New research published in the journal Psychological Science suggests that conflict and relationship distress precede romantic infidelity. Using a long-term study of family dynamics spanning 12 years, researchers Stavrova, Pronk, and Denissen, 2022, assessed a representative sample of German adults and their primary romantic partners. They found that both individual and relationship well-being declined prior to incidences of infidelity for members of the couples who engaged in the infidelity and for their partners, the victims of infidelity. Does relationship distress precede romantic infidelity? Infidelity has long been associated with relationship difficulties and is a leading cause of seeking couples therapy. However, as the authors assert, it is difficult to establish whether infidelity causes or stems from relationship dysfunction. Stavrova et al. Suggested that infidelity may cause unfaithful partners to feel guilt, harbor secrets from their mates, and even feel depressed, thus leading to increased relationship conflict and distress. Similarly, feeling disengaged from a long-term partner and reduced feelings of commitment to that partner could also lead to an increased likelihood of being unfaithful to that partner. Causal relationships are difficult to discern from non-experimental data. Therefore, the authors used unique methods to try to assess whether relationship discontent precedes or follows experiences of unfaithfulness. Methods. In the current project, researchers followed couples in long-term relationships for an average of 5 to 8 years. The researchers collected data on self-reported incidences of infidelity from the primary respondents, both infidelities reported as those who engaged in the unfaithfulness, termed perpetrators, and infidelities reported as those who were cheated on, termed victims. The researchers then examined discontinuous change models to track well-being changes in people who experienced infidelity. These models allowed researchers to determine whether decreased well-being preceded or followed the couple's experiences with infidelity. The larger study was designed to assess family dynamics and thus included assessments of individual well-being, such as life satisfaction and self-esteem, as well as measures of relationship well-being, including relationship satisfaction, intimacy, and perceived conflict. Furthermore, the researchers compared couples who experienced infidelity to matched control couples who did not experience unfaithfulness in their relationships. These couples were matched on characteristics such as age, gender, marital status, relationship length, education, income levels, and the number of children, all factors associated with the likelihood of experiencing infidelity in romantic relationships. Finally, the authors considered survey responses completed by both individuals and their romantic partners to determine how the affairs impacted the well-being of perpetrators and victims of infidelity. However, it should be noted that only the primary respondents were asked to report the incidents of infidelity, so it is possible that some of the partners who were included in this project were unaware of the unfaithful behavior. Results. The incidences of unfaithfulness reported included 609 individuals who confessed to cheating on their partners and 338 individuals who reported that their partners had been unfaithful to them. The authors also identified 111 couples in which one partner reported mutual unfaithfulness. However, the researchers determined that there were not enough couples in this category to conduct meaningful statistical analyses. In this data set, most people indicated that only one affair had taken place, although some individuals reported up to 6 different affairs. The researchers found clear evidence that experiences of infidelity were preceded by a gradual decrease in personal and relationship well-being in victims and perpetrators. The authors reasoned that these decreases in individual and relationship-level factors may have caused perpetrators to seek alternate romantic relationships for those who initiated affairs. Furthermore, after an affair, infidelity events were not followed by steady recovery patterns. Neither the partners involved in the affairs nor the partners who were victims of infidelity regained their baseline levels of well-being after reporting/discovering the unfaithfulness. Instead, Couples who were more committed to their relationships prior to the infidelity continued to decline in well-being after their experiences of unfaithfulness. Specifically, individuals who reported having affairs themselves showed stronger declines in well-being after the infidelity versus those who reported that their partners had been unfaithful. Because the sample of individuals who confessed to cheating on their own partners was almost twice as large as the sample of individuals who reported that their partners had cheated, the authors speculate that many couples may experience infidelity, which is kept secret by the perpetrating partner. Keeping that unfaithfulness secret may play a role in the steeper declines in well-being evident in perpetrators versus victims of infidelity. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, remember, change your thinking and you change your life.